everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. This is Teacher Mars, and for today's video, mag-unboxing tayo ng mga Christmas gifts from my students. Diba? So, these are my gifts I've received from my students. So this one is from Jamaica. Jamaica, it's a place. This one is from Charmaine. This one is from Janelle. Oh, diba Janelle? Okay, so let us start here. I guess this one. So this is from Charmaine, and we will unbox this one. Wait lang. Okay. How? So let's see what is this. What is this gifts? Okay. Oh, sana all. Wow, it's a mug. It's a mug. It's a mug. Like, oh, it's a very unique mug. Okay. Ayan, ganun. So, it's a mug, and how the Carabao. Oh, okay. This is new to me. Oh, this is not a mug. Is this mug? This one is mug. This one is, I don't know this one. What's this? This one is, I don't know. This one is, I don't know, guys. It's just, I don't know. It's a flower pot. Ay! Kaloka to. Hindi ko alam. Pero it's mosai. Basta. Just comment down below what is this or what's the use of this one. I guess this one is a mug. And I don't know this one. Maybe it's for tea. Yeah, a strainer for a tea. Like this one. Oh, and then yeah, just have to put the this one, the cover. Yeah, I guess that's the use. It's for the tea. Okay, this one. This is the first gift that I've received. Another is this one. It's from Jamaica. So she is my student, and I don't know how to open this one. Okay, because of the scissor, let us open this like this one. Okay, wait. Okay, it has a letter. Oh, mom. To mom from Jamaica. Thank you for the gift. And let's open. Ta-da-da! Wow, what's this? It's a t-shirt. It's a t-shirt. It's a t-shirt. Wow. Nice one. It's white. Go. Let us try. I will try, guys. What is the feeling of having a gift from my students, and if it is a kasha to me. Oh, this one. Wow, it's nice one. See, this one is so nice, and the color is nice, and the print is nice. Wow, thank you very much. It's a very maganda. Yes. Okay. The tela is so good. Basta, it's so maganda. Yeah, the design is the store. And, basta, amay ng design. Yay! And the third and the last. No, but not the least. So this one is the last. It is from Janelle. Okay, Janelle. Okay. Thank you, Janelle. So let's open what is how to open this one. Okay, what's the inside of this? Wow, the wrapper is so nice. The paper bag. I can use it again. Yeah, it's so nice. And let us open. Let us open. How to open? Okay, so coffee mug. So I know already. Yeah, I know already what's the inside of this box because I know the drawing, diba? The print. Coffee mug. Yeah. So it's wow. So nice. Let us open. It's so nice. Whoa. It's so nice. Wow, it's so colorful. Oh, colorful. It's so nice. But it's a mug. So nice. Wow. Home goods. Yeah. Baka naman. Home goods. Diba? So it's so nice. Yeah, we have to return this one from the box because it's so nice. So that's all for today, guys. I just unboxed what's inside of the different paper bags here. It's from my students, and I am very grateful for their life. So yun, especially they are good to me and they are good people. They are good students. So thank you very much from Charmaine, from Jamaica, and from Janelle. Okay, thank you everyone. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and watch my videos. Wow, thank you everyone.